Oh, ooh, na na. I'm in the mood, girl, and you're looking good. You look so fly, girl, I cannot tell a lie.
Hello everyone, yeah, welcome back to my channel. I'm Angie Spice. So tonight I'll be showing you how to make a quick DIY facial gel that is simple and easy for you to make at home. If you love mask the way I do, you will love this simple DIY because it's really simple. All you need is just about 3 or 4 ingredients to make it. I think we are using only 3 ingredients tonight. Alright guys, so let's get right to the video. Alright, to make this facial mask, here I have my aloe vera gel. Yeah, you can use any type of aloe vera gel. If it's a plant aloe vera gel you have, just open up the plant and scrape out the gel, the internal fillet, that's the gel inside. If you are using a store-bought, just take some few. Tonight I will be using a store-bought aloe vera gel. Make sure the aloe vera gel you are using is pure and at least 99% aloe vera gel. So, but here I'm using the aloe therapy gel because I love it. This is more than aloe vera gel itself. It contains other nourishing ingredients in it. So the next thing I'll be adding is lemon essential oil. I'll be adding just a little. Lemon essential oil is very good for our skin. It brightens the skin. The chief ingredient is matcha green tea, as you can see. Matcha green tea have a lot of is packed with lots and lots of antioxidants. It's very good. So when I'm making this mask, I like to use this because with making it with the gel helps it to penetrate into your skin faster and like let your skin absorb all the nutrients, and make it work. It depends on your purpose of using it. I'm using it to nourish my skin, to make the skin glow. Yeah, it helps to make your skin glow. It fights fine line, wrinkles, and like it helps you not to age faster. You know what I mean? So for this matcha green tea, if you are make sure you get at least organic. They have a lot of matcha green tea out there. Make sure it's organic. This is the one I'm using. You can see is Viva Natural Organic Matcha Green Tea. Okay, so make sure the one you be buying is organic so that you can get at least all the full benefits. All right guys, let's get mixing. So my aloe vera gel in the bowl. All you need to do, just add the green tea to it. Like I told you, I said it's very easy to make. Add your green tea and then few drops of the lemon essential oil. Just few drops. I don't need it much because lemon essential oil, my skin is so sensitive. If I add too much, it will break me out. So I just add in. You don't even need much because this is essential oil and it's very strong. So I added maybe like about 2 or 3 drops to it. So all you need to do, this is it. You can see, then stir. Stir it properly until everything is mixed together. Okay, stir. So So after mixing it, this is how it's gonna be. I don't know if you guys are seeing it here. This is it. So you're gonna get a paste like this, looking yummy, smells good too because of the lemon. So here you have all you need. Matcha green tea. Please try and make your research. Google it to see the benefits of matcha green tea for your skin. All this DIY you see on YouTube, before you use anything you see, my dear, make your own research, because all that glitters are not good. I don't want to comment, I don't want to mention anybody, I don't want to say anything, but DIY for me is just, nobody is showing you. What I'm saying this is because I get so many questions on my email. If you want to make a professional formulation, my dear, you need to attend a course. Yes, attend a course, attend a class, training, whatever. Make sure the class you are attending, that the founder is a professional also, you understand? Don't just attend to any training, all this copy and paste you see online there. Make sure in fact, go to the school, go to Natural Skincare School, attend the school, then before you can formulate products for sale. You don't just see anything on YouTube and you formulate, because a lot of people will tell me, my customer, I made this and my customer is complaining, blah blah blah. DIY is not professional formulation. They are not the same. They are different things. DIY is something you can do it yourself and use it immediately and clean up. Because to preserve a product, you need to really study hard into it and know the type of different kinds of preservative they have, and which one that works for which. Not all preservatives, not all preservatives are the same, or can stop mold from forming, or can stop your product from going bad. No, that's why you need a course. You need to know how to make your product with many things to learn, stability and so on, and how to formulate a product that really works. You really need to learn a lot, my dear. So if you want to go deep into natural skincare products, you need to attend a course. You need to attend the school. Let me put it like that so you understand. Go to the school and expand your knowledge. Okay? And for the DIYs you see on YouTube, before you put anything on your skin, make your own research and know what you are putting on your skin. Somebody tell you to put toothpaste on your face, on your skin, you take toothpaste and rub on your my dear, I don't have anything to say because I don't want to condemn anybody's work. But please, if you go to my description, to any of my DIY video, go down to the description. You will see. I will tell you, before you put anything, make your research and do a patch test. My skin type and your skin type are not the same. All the DIYs I do here, what I show you guys are the things I use on myself. So if you don't have the same skin type and you use it and it didn't work for you, does not mean that it doesn't work. It works, but that's why you need to expand your knowledge to know how to know your skin type and know the products and things that work for your skin. Do a patch test. Okay, so I'll be applying it on my phone.
It's a Boom J production.
See, I'm done. I'm done applying. Don't forget to go down your neck and your chest. So I'm going to leave it on for like 15 minutes before I wash it off. So leave it on for 15 minutes, then you wash it off. I love this mask so much. I love it. You know what? It makes your skin glow. It makes your skin smoother, and it brightens the skin. Because this simple mask I just showed you guys is a simple secret. I love masks so much. So every week, well, every weekend, I create a mask that suits my skin. All these are what you need to know, you know. So I create masks that suit my skin, and those are the things that helps keep your skin glowing, brighter, and looking smoother and fresher. Okay, so after 15 minutes, you wash it off with lukewarm water. If you have dry skin, this mask is very good for you. If you are having dry skin, it's good, but you should add a little almond oil or jojoba oil to it, or any carrier oil of your choice. Okay, add it to it, and then add the essential oil. You can add more than one essential oil, maybe orange essential oil or lemongrass essential oil. Then, but if you have oily or acne prone skin, use it this way. Do not add oil to it. Okay, so that will be it for today's tutorial. If you have any question, leave it down below. Please remember to always make your research before you use any DIY you see on YouTube. Not all that glitters are gold. Please, I beg you, make your own research and do a patch test if you don't know your skin type, or better still, know your skin type. Everything you see on YouTube is not what you will make and use on your skin and say it did not work, because not everything that they show you, that is the real truth. And nobody go to school and spend that huge money and come to YouTube to show everything. But you will see example of how to make it. That is what YouTube is for. DIY is they show you example of how this thing can be made. Example, but not the real deal. They will not show you everything. That is the simple truth. I see so many things sometimes I see on YouTube, I will just like laugh. Anyway, why I know some people that know the truth, when they're doing their video, they don't share everything. So, if you have any question, like I said, leave it down below, and stay organically beautiful. Hit me up if you have any question. If you want to buy any products, call me. My number is there on the website. My email is there, and I'll be leaving the link to my website down below in case you want to buy anything. Please call me. We need to discuss. I need to know your skin type, your skin goal, what you want to achieve, and so many things. I'm going to ask you some questions before we start treatment so that you can get. And please, it's not only soap and lotion or cream that does the job. I have said this many times. Remember, to your intake counts. Your intake is is more important than what you apply on your skin self. So watch what you take inside your supplements, eating your fruits and vegetables. Then when you are using your skin care, make sure your skin cares are complete. Make sure your skin cares are complete. As a lady dear, one of my subscribers dear, you know yourself, I don't want to make sure. She was asking me, she says she's fair, but how can she get that tint, fair, whatever, I don't know what she asked me. But this lady was the person that contacted me. I recommended products for her, told her what to do, but she said you cannot do it. That is it. You want to get celebrity glow, or you want to get celebrity skin type. Then we mentioned the names: Rihanna, what's their name? I don't even remember. They want their skin to be like that, but they can't spend money. Good soup, now money maker money. If you want your skin, you need a complete set. Everything works together to give you the best results. not half and half. Everything works together to give you good results. Some you will tell them to exfoliate. They will not exfoliate. They will be applying lotion on dead skin and expecting to see results. I understand. I too have been there. So I know that I cannot continue affording. That's why I have to, once and for all, go to school, acquire the knowledge, and make yours. Make product that works, not jumping around from one product to the other. You are destroying your skin. Good skin, good soup, na money maker more. All right, guys. If you are new or you are passing by, please, before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there and hit the bell button to get notification anytime I upload a video. I'm always busy, but I try my best to upload video at least 2 or once every week. Okay, stay organically beautiful, and I love you all. Bye bye. See you soon.